everyone, welcome to this video. Today we are going to learn about how to back up our website using different available plugins on wordpress.org and how to migrate our website from a specific website from a domain to another domain. We'll learn that on our next section, but in this section we will learn about how to back up our WordPress website using different plugins. So specifically we are going to learn or use one or two plugins like all-in-one WP migrations, duplicator, which are most famous over the time. And so let's move to our video. Right, so now in this section we are going to back up our website using all-in-one WP migration. We can also use duplicator, but people find all-in-one WP migration much easier than that of duplicator. So let's jump ahead and go to your website. I have a website called website 2. You can view at this log over here, website 2, and I'm using it in a localhost using XAMPP server. So you can also use in any type of server or in a live server also, but one precaution over here, using in a live server it takes a lot of time because you have to download the file, a backup file from server in our desktop or in our computer. But in a local website this process will get much faster. You need not to worry about that ahead. So let's look at our website. It is a fully functional and fully running website. It is a marathon website and the theme is Ocean WP themes provided by. So I have made a demo video about how to install this magazine theme in your website. You can check the link over here in the viewer tooltip. So if you want to know about this website, how to make a website like this, you can check over here. So now let's move to our video, original video. So go to our dashboard. Dashboard. In the dashboard, go to your plugin section, and so once you click on the plugins, go to add new sections and click on add new sections, and this type of window appears where you will be suggested a list of plugins to install, and go and search for. We'll use all-in-one WP migration over in this video, and you can use any of the software that is used to back up or migrate your WordPress website. Since you can see all-in-one WP migration has 2+ million active installations, and we don't count about downloads, and duplicator has 1+ million active installation. Both I have used both of them, and both of them are very efficient. But we have the fact that all-in-one WP migration makes us easy for migration because it only gives us one file for as a backup, and we can use it as a backup in another website much easily by using the all-in-one WP migration plugin itself. But in case of duplicator, it gives us two files. One is for PHP file and another is backup files, which is a compressed file, and we have to use it on the other site that we are migrating using some sort of like PHP functions and adding these files, and these files will migrate automatically. So see how I migrate a website from one domain to another domain using duplicator in video over here. I will suggest the video also, and all-in WP migration also I will make continuation to this video. So in this video for backup I will use all-in-one WP migration. So let's active and I have already installed the plugin, so all I need was to active the plugin. So yeah, you will see install now options, install and then activate the plugin. So I will activate the plugin. So the plugin has been activated, and you can see the plugin over here, all-in-one WP migration, and deactivate options over here, so from which we can deactivate the plugin. And now in our dashboard bar You can also see all-in-one domain migration options over here. So click on this and click on export, right? Click on this and click on export, and in the export section, go to export to option, and you can find a variety of options that are offered to you by all-in-one domain migration. You can export it as a file, you can export to a FTP, to Google Drive, to Dropbox and OneDrive, better options, DigitalOcean directly to our as a hosting website, and Azure directly to our host, and as the client WebDAV, and many options. So in this video we are going to migrate it or to backup it in form of file. So click on file, and so once you click on file, you prepare to export the WordPress content. First extension compatibility, and then archives. It is creating the archives. So then configuration file, it creates a configuration file, then archive it. So now it is archiving and it has to go to 100%. So now the archiving has been finished, and this type of dialog box appears with which suggests us to download the localhost, and the size is 50 MB. So we can click on this and download the file. Click on this, and once we click on that, it gives us the download option, right? You can see local host website 2 and certain date format, and then time format, and then .wpress file. So this must be the extension of the file you need to download. You need to save everywhere. Don't change that extension. If you change that extension, the plugin will not accept this file, and you can't backup in next sections of the files, or you can backup in any other website, or if your website crashes. So first let me save this on desktop, and let me create a new folder on desktop. Name as backup, and let me store over here and save this file in the backup. So the file is being downloaded, and this file is downloaded. So in this way we can create a backup of any of our website, WordPress website. Sorry, we are talking about WordPress website specifically. We can make backup of any of our website using this method, using this plugin. Once we have done backup, you can close this, and once we have created the backup file and stored it successfully in our backup folder, then now we'll move to our next section, where we will be migrating our website from one domain to another domain. Here we are migrating our website from website 2 to website 1. In the next step, I have created I have freshly installed a website or WordPress on a website 1, and now you will also need to install the WordPress on another website, right? On any website or any domain, from source domain to destination domain. This is the source domain, which can be anything like www.xyz.com. This will be the source domain, and you will keep a backup file of this source domain. And then this will be anything like www.abc.com, and in this domain we like to store, or we like to backup our or restore the backup in this website. And this destination website, go to plugins and click on add new, any plugins, no any plugin type. Click on add new, and on add new, search for all-in-one W migration. So here the thing is, we have to install the same plugin in both of website, both source website and destination website, and this plugin will itself migrate the website from source website to destination website using the backup file we have created a bit ago. So install the website, install the plugin, click on install now. So now the plugin has been installed and we need to activate the plugin. So click on activate. So the plugin has been activated and you can see all-in-one W migration and deactivated just like the way we have installed in WordPress 2. We have also seen it over there, and we can also see all-in-one W migration here. So now this time, instead of going to export, we will go to import. We will go to import the website. Click on import, and so you can see import from file URL, and the same option is over here, and maximum upload file size is 2 MB, and we have our backup of size 50 MB. So, and it shows how to increase the maximum upload size, get unlimited. Now or I will show you how to upload or how to increase the maximum upload size. So go to your directory, like I will say, like I have stored my website on WordPress and in XAMPP, htdocs, and now I have to increase the size of website 1. So I will click on website 1, and in under the website 1 you can see .htxs. Once I open the htxs file, we need to change certain code on the htxs folder. So yeah, so once you have written this code, save and open your website and reload this. So now you can see the maximum upload size is 500 MB. So we have increased our upload size, and you can make it to the size you wish. Just increase the post max size to from 500 MB and upload max size. Just increase these two lines and keep M beside these to indicate that this is MB. So it will allow you to upload the file with maximum size of 500 GB and post certain post with the maximum size of 500 MB. So these are the functions that these codes provide. And now we will minimize this, and now we click on import and import from, and click on file, and under this file section select the file that we have saved, and we have saved this on the desktop and on backup, right? And backup localhost website, and this, and open this. Now once it will open, this will import the backup file and store all and restore all of the databases of the backup file into our website. So here it gives the warning that the import process will overwrite all of the database media plugins themes on your current website. So we are doing this sort of thing, so we can proceed. It will now allow to rewrite all of the things on our website. So now the site has been imported successfully, and now it will suggest us to do two important things. One is to save the permalink structure, and another is review the plugin, which we don't need to do, or you can do if you like the plugin. I suggest you to do review the plugin. The first thing is one of the most important thing: save the permalink structure. If you don't save the permalink structure, the WordPress site will not work. It will not render to different types of the URL, right? I will show you what it will affect. And now click on finish. So once it is finished, go to settings, and go to permalinks. So it will ask us to log in, and we have our details, admin, login the site. You need to remember the login details of website too, because now the all of our SQL documents or all of our SQL has been replaced with the SQL of a website too. So the users and the login details are also of the website too. So in order to log into website 1, now you have to use the details of website 2. Now save changes, go and click on save changes 2 times. First time, once, and then twice. Click here 2 times. It will make sure that we have saved our permalink. Now we can have a look on our website. So click on visit site. So the website 1 is also changed to same as the website 2. Website 1, and you can view on the website 2 also. The website 2, it is also same as the website 1. So you can also view on our process. It moves well. At late facts, it moves well. So in this way we can migrate our website using all-in-one domain migration. Hit the thumbs up and like, share, subscribe our video if you like this video, and do subscribe on our YouTube channel if you like this video, and we'll create more interesting videos on future days. Thank you very much for visiting the site. Thank you.